class assembly all about bullying and how we can deal with it. First, let's get to know what bullying actually is.
Bullying is intentional. That means it's not an accident. A bully hurts someone on purpose.
Bullying is repetitive. This means that the bully hurts someone over and over again. It isn't something that happens only once.
Bullying is when one person acts like they have more power than others and does whatever they can to hurt that person.
In 6JT, we have been thinking so hard about bullying that one of our classmates went through a very special edition of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
สวัสดีครับ Hello, I'm Mario Moro and I'm amazing. Welcome to this anti-bullying week edition of the greatest show on TV. Let's introduce our contestant for today. She is Nana from St. Stephen's International School, Bangkok.
Hi Mario, I'm very excited about winning some money.
Yeah, whatever. You know that everyone's watching the show because of me. So let's get on with my show. Oops, I mean the show. Now, question 1 is for 100 pounds. If a person is being bullied, is it A, their own fault, B, their parents' fault, C, their friend's fault, or D, the bully's fault?
That reminds me of something that happened at school just last month.
What's the matter? It's not like you to cry.
It's Gemma. She's been picking on me since the start of the year. She keeps sending me horrible text messages and they're getting worse.
That's so mean. Why is she being like that?
I gave her my mobile number over the summer when we were friends, but then she started picking on me for no reason. I feel it's my fault for letting her have it.
It's not your fault. It's ours. We should have been better friends and asked you earlier if everything was okay.
It's not your fault either. It's Gemma's. She's being a bully because she is sending the messages for no reason.
I don't think we needed all the acting to answer this.
My answer is D. It's the bully's fault. No one is to blame for a bully's actions apart from the bully themselves.
And you are going to find out if you're right after the break. Are you tired of those mean bullies at school?
Yes! Then you need to try telling an adult.
Telling an adult will not only stop the bullies, but it will also help the bullies to think about their actions and make them become aware of the feelings of others.
And when you buy telling an adult, you get...
Talking to your friends for free is another brilliant product that helps you with any bullying solutions you might be having.
So, if you want to stop those mean bullies at school, we recommend you telling an adult and...
Talking to your friends.
Yay!
Welcome back to this special edition of Blah Blah Blah. You know, the program with annoying pauses and me. Before the break, our contestant won 100 pounds for answering it is the bully's fault if you are getting bullied.
Hey, you didn't tell me I was right. I thought we were waiting for the break to finish.
Whatever. I was just trying to move things along quickly. Now, question 2 is for 200 pounds. Being bullied makes people feel A, scared and upset, B. Happy, C. Excited, or D. Confident?
That reminds me of the incident I remembered earlier.
Oh, not again.
So you see, Mr. Rob, Gemma has sent me these messages and they have been really hurtful. I haven't done anything to her except try to be her friend.
She was really scared and upset. We felt bad because we couldn't do anything to help.
We told her that it wasn't her fault and that we need to tell an adult. I think I saw an adverb on TV show that said telling adult can help.
Have we done the right thing?
Of course you have. The best thing to do when you feel scared or upset is telling an adult. Now talk to Gemma to get her side of the story.
My answer will be A. When you're being bullied, you feel scared and upset.
Final answer? Actually, I don't care. You're correct.
Mario, I think you're being a bit mean.
Nonsense! This is TV. If people don't like it, they can change channels.
In class, we discussed different types of bullying to understand what people mean when they say I'm being bullied.
We also thought of definitions of words we use when we describe bullying.
A bully is someone who tries to hurt people by the way they act.
A victim is somebody who is bullied and feels hurt, upset, and scared by the actions of a bully.
A bystander is a person who sees bullying taking place and is a very important person involved in stopping the bullying.
Don't be a bystander, be an upstander.
Physical bullying is when a bully kicks, hits, or damages someone or their belongings. This can be easy for a bystander to see, but can be painful for the victim.
Verbal bullying is when a bully is name-calling, teasing, or being rude to the other person. This can be very common and is hard to deal with if an adult doesn't know.
Indirect bullying is when the bully doesn't bully the victim to their face. For example, spreading nasty stories about someone, gossiping about someone, or excluding people from games. This has to happen all the time to be bullying and is dealt with by victims and bystanders telling an adult.
Cyberbullying is when a bully is sending nasty emails, texts, or making nasty phone calls. This is getting more common nowadays. Victims should record the messages or take screenshots to prove what has been happening.
All these types of bullying are very serious and can cause lots of pain and hurt to the people involved. I think we better see how Nana's getting on with Mario on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Thank you for tuning back. We've known you change channels, so since you've all been gone, this smarty pan has managed to get to the 500,000 pound question. Now, question 14. What can an adult do to help stop bullying? A. Shout at the bully until they promise to stop. B. Phone the police because they can deal with the problem. C. Tell the victim off because they should not waste the teacher time. Or D. Talk to the bully to find out why they have been so mean and help their problem.
I think I have to go back to my flashback.
What? We don't have time for all that.
Now, Gemma, I've been told that you have sent some nasty text messages to someone in school. Is that right?
No way! That's such a lie. I swear I'll never do something like that.
Are you sure, Gemma?
I've seen these messages. The person saved them on their phone so they can show an adult.
She's lying. I didn't send them. She's making it up to get me into trouble.
Gemma, other people have seen you talking to your friends about these messages. Please tell the truth or this could become worse.
Well, she got a really nice phone and it's the one she really wants. I didn't mean to be nasty. Gemma!
That's a very nasty thing to do. I think you need to apologize and think about how hurtful those messages actually were. I think I'm going to have to speak to your parents so we can help you understand sending those messages was wrong.
My final answer is D. An adult can talk to the bully and find out why they have been so mean and help them understand how hurtful they have been.
Hey.
Sorry, I wasn't listening. I was thinking too much about going home so I don't have to listen to your stupid stories.
Right. Since you have been a bully throughout the entire show, I think you need to answer the last question.
What?
For £1 million, what has been the theme of this assembly? Even you can't get this wrong. A. Bullying is not okay. B. Bullying is not okay. C. Bullying is not okay. Or D. Bullying is not okay.
Phone a friend?
No.
50-50?
No.
Ask the audience?
Oh, all right then. Everybody, what's the answer?
Bullying.
You see, Mario, when people speak out, things get done and people realize how hurtful they have been.
Yes, of course. Sorry. Well, that's the £1 million question.
Thing to do if you feel like you're being bullied is to talk to someone.
Even if you don't think it's bullying, you should always tell an adult. They can help you feel better.
Thank you for watching our assembly and remember,
Bullying